I'm Sushri. I joined this organization in 2012 as an intern. It's been 11 great years of experience with HUL. I work on Clinic Plus as a marketing manager. All of you know that Clinic Plus is a iconic brand and the penetration for this brand is 86%. And when you work on such a huge brand, it is very important to stay relevant and gain competitively compared to premium brand players and a lot of market players that are there in dynamic category like hair care. So let's go about solving this problem. Come, let's get going. Hi guys, we are in the R&D lab for hair care. This is in here where we create magic with the best kind of product that we put out for our consumers in the market. So let's see what all goes into a best product. Hi Saurav, so you know that the relaunch is upcoming. Can you please show me some options on color and fragrance?
Sure. So here are some of the prototypes in terms of the perfume. You can smell it.
Every time I smell this, it reminds me of Clinic Plus. In HUL, typically a brand management role is divided into brand building and brand development. I was taking care of Sunsilk as a brand building manager, where the job is not just to delight your consumers with tactical activations and different campaigns that you run, but it is also important to look at the profitability because you are leading the P&L for the business. And in India, I was taking care of both top line and bottom line. Now I am working as a brand development manager, and again I take care of a brand which is super iconic and very important for this company, and that's Clinic Plus. I take care of entire South Asia region. Here we work on long-term strategies where anything to do with mix creation, like creating a product, building the proposition roadmap, how should be the strategy of a brand, the packaging options that you can genuinely create for all your mixes, all the products that you want to land in the next 2 years for your markets. I think that's probably the joy of crafting, is what you get in brand development roles. Typically in a brand development role, which I'm currently doing, I think I deal with a lot of these day-to-day problems, and I have to deal with a lot of external agencies and partners, and I have to work with various stakeholders, be it my R&D partner to ideate and create those mixes that are relevant for our consumers. So creating the best product is at the heart of it. And then you also work with your agency partners where you try and crack on a big idea which can genuinely become like a meaningful concept, and the communication that you put out in the market where you drive purpose at the heart of the brand. In such a scenario where our consumers are evolving and they're looking for multiple benefits, how do I ensure that Clinic Plus, which has a journey of 30 years and has mother-daughter at the heart of it, we stay relevant, we keep we make it so contemporary that we are top of mind and drive preference amongst our consumers. That's the problem that we are dealing with. Now, if I have to solve this problem, it is like a big puzzle where there are 7-8 elements and we break it into pieces, and then the whole piece comes together. Starting from finding the right product mix, that if I'm doing a relaunch going forward, what should be the lever or the key which will ensure that my product is best in class. Are we going to upgrade the fragrance? Then how do we build on the functional expertise so that when the word strength comes to the mind of consumers, the only brand that comes to the mind is Clinic Plus. So be very sharp and articulate and clear about our proposition, which is we are a brand which stands for strength, and it is about the warmth between the mother and daughter. So hence the entire storytelling and the proposition idea that we build on this brand for our relaunch communication is the key. After that, we move on to creating the best in class packaging options so that we genuinely look premium on a sea of blue and white. Hence packaging becomes really important, because when you attract the eyeballs and when you genuinely look premium, it is very easy to get your consumers to prefer you over the other brands that are there on the shelf. With all of the things that I talked about, be it product and the proposition and the packaging, we are very, very confident that we are going to have a kick-ass relaunch in the coming times, and we're going to steal share from our competition. Clinic Plus is an iconic brand and it has had a very long journey. This is the brand which drove the penetration of the category from, let's say, a 40% to today it is 90 plus penetration pan India. We have also established the access pack of ₹1. So the biggest challenge that this brand also has today is that we have created a consumer segment and the entire country is locked to this price point of ₹1. And how do we break that shackle? How do we get out of that price point? I think that is the key, and that's one of the toughest tasks on this brand. The kind of impact that I can genuinely, make on consumers' life, and the meaningfully how I can make their lives better by creating or offering them solutions which meets their needs. So on a brand like Clinic Plus, which goes to almost every household in this country, I think that amount of impact is something which I can only dream for.